You can try and plan out as much as you want, but it changes. Yeah, you're just having to adapt and on the fly, really.
Morning, boys! How quickly are you getting the job done? Like, do you know what your workflow is? If a date doesn't work, you can sort of let us know.
Yeah. So thanks for letting me know. So, yeah, so it's all about communication, obviously, and that's
100%.
What's failed? Something with the electrical, couldn't get it going. And apparently this is the same one I had on Tuesday.
Yeah, it looks...
And it's obviously hasn't still been fixed. And like it's going, but it's just trickling out. Like
The pump broke down and it was pumping out at a dribble.
no pressure. No pressure. So it's probably taking about 40 nearly an hour to get rid of one truck.
Lucky it's a good day for things not going to plan.
You have to pump, everything's coming. Like, it's got to still going. You got to keep it going.
You don't do anything that you can't do, obviously.
Yeah, we're constantly just on the go, solving problems, communication between the trades and ourselves, and being transparent so that everybody's aware and we don't have people turning up when it's not ready and bits and pieces like that, really.
Hello, Tom speaking.
Hey, mate, we were up around that area, so we just thought if it was ready for the swing by, but if it's not, that's all good.
Yeah, no, all good, mate. Thanks for the call.
Jordan's helped me for the day. I'm a bit soft on my trades. Jordan's the harder, so I get him to really have them hard conversations. G'day, mate. How are you?
Really?
You've been well, haven't you?
Yeah.
Actually, hey? Really good to see you.
You too.
Yeah, that's fine. Is that enough?
Yeah.
Well, I want some.
Yeah, just give me a ring.
Should we talk to this landscaper? What should I say to him? G'day, mate. How are you? So we've got our next two jobs up there. Like I walked Roger through this the other day just to make sure, hey, is there anything you need me to do? Right. Just to get him kind of, give him the heads up. We've booked out a low set before from...
And that's how I like to do it.
Other companies would say we're crazy. We get the job done here at Gallery. Simple.
Yeah, we just show some grit and get it done.
And that's how we get our 72-day builds, you know.
Because we're...
A little flex.
Which I've got the record for, by the way.
Still currently holding.
72 days, thank you.
Not bad.
Yeah, not bad. What do you got, 73?
I had, 73 days it was. Yeah.
I think it was like 77.
Did that in my sleep, mate. Well, I need to get these, especially need to get these stairs stained because we've held out on putting up the glass up the stairs, which we need the glass up for a final. So that's kind of the main thing at the moment.
The construction administration team, they're taking care of all the pre-con stuff for us, making sure that we've got all of our building approvals. All the plans have been logged into our online portal for us to get out on site and be able to physically see it, know exactly what we're doing.
When you start a new subdivision, if you have power and water on, you are kicking goals.
A lot of our trades carry their own generators on their trailers and in the back of their utes. They know that one of their expectations is to carry generators on them so that they can keep working.
Things that would scare off other builders, like that, for instance, water, power.
We're still going in and making it work.
That would be like, oh, let's just hold up, let's just wait for a bit. We're like, let's get in.
Let's go.
We can make it
Yeah,
work.
we've got bloody, let's do it.
Getting it done. Looks good, doesn't it?
Done deal. So you'll be done up here completely after today or tomorrow or?
I love being able to go to an empty block of land, stand there, visualize what I'm going to do, and then once it's finished, stand back and go, just created this home for somebody from absolutely nothing.
A bit more risk involved in luxury, huh?
There is, but there's also a different sort of market for it. Because you're getting those beautiful renders, you're doing something bespoke and something that nobody else has got. Every time I do one of these builds, they're completely different. There's never one the same. And when I stand back and I can look at it and go, that's awesome, it looks amazing. I've just built that out of nothing and nobody else will ever build that again. So we are very spread out, but being able to catch up with everybody on a regular basis and keep that bond of team and friendship.
Yeah, there's so many other companies that all the supervisors are kind of against each other. They've got their own jobs. They're almost at war with everyone else because they want to do their own thing. But here, I don't know, we're kind of together. It's cool. Yeah. Gallery just has that kind of, what is it? What's different?
The culture that the gallery has created is something that I haven't experienced anywhere that I've worked before as well. That little bit of input from multiple different views and angles comes together collectively to create the end product, and it's just everything works and everybody's happy to work in with each other.
Yeah, we should be working together anyway because we want them to be loyal and stay with us for as long as we can.
The commitment that we have with maintaining relationships with trades and helping each other out as a team, because if we didn't do that as a team, we wouldn't be able to get there.